This box is stuffed to the brim. This is probably the best game that we have. What do you got here?
I don't know.
Holy cow. How's it going, everybody? We have something really exciting in store for you today. Something a little bit different that we've actually never really done anything like this before. What are you doing? Pam's hiding behind the boxes. Without garage sales, if you guys are new to the channel, you know, we go around at garage sales and estate sales and stuff like that, looking for stuff to buy, to resell for a profit. With everything that's going on in the world right now, there's not any garage sales to go to, or estate sales. So we had somebody reach out to us who's a viewer of the channel, a really nice guy, his name's Logan. He reached out to me on Instagram and said that he had a bunch of video game stuff that he didn't know what to do with. He's not a reseller himself, he's just a collector. And we came to a deal, $350 shipped for all this stuff.
This is why Ryan tells me these things on camera, so that there's evidence so I can't hurt him.
We really appreciate him reaching out to us and offering to sell us the stuff because we're always looking to buy stuff. So it just worked out really good, especially in this time. We're running out of stuff to list, so this is perfect timing. Anyway, let's get right into this. What box do you want to open first?
That one.
The big one? You want to open the big one first?
Yeah,
okay.
Just to make you do more work to get at it.
Now, these boxes are extremely heavy, so they're packed full of stuff. Packed.
Oh, I like this.
We got a bunch of bubble wrap. Nice, nice.
I like the orange bubble wrap.
Off the bat, it looks like we've got some
This looks old.
PS2 games. That does look old. Okay, so this is right here. This is Super Buster Brothers for Super Nintendo, and it has the original box. Let's open it up, see if it's in there. I'm sure it is. Yep, it's in there. Yeah, he also said that he was going to throw in some action figures, so this is just a Rescue Heroes toy here. Fisher Price. This box is stuffed to the brim of stuff. Looks like we've got some like lower end PS3 games. There's some lower end stuff in here, I think, but I'll probably just make big bundles and flip it that way. Xbox 360 console.
Does that work?
He said everything works. So most of the stuff here on top looks like PS2 games. We got Enter the Matrix, Blood Rain, King of Fighters 98. I think this one is a fairly valuable game. Here's another Rescue Heroes toy. We got Tenkin Tag, Madagascar, 007. These are all PS2 games. Tenkin 5, Medal of Honor Frontline, Contra, Shattered Soldier, Fatal Fury Battle Archives 1. That might be worth a little bit of something. Blood Rain 2. I'll probably bundle that with the other Blood Rain, depending on what they're worth. We got Magic Darts for NES. This is in extremely good condition, too, with the original box. The Suffering. I think this is a pretty good one. And I think, yeah, all these are complete with manuals, so that's great. Anything horror and weird like that. I've never seen this game before. I think this one's decent, though. Dead to Rights. Urban Rain, The Mummy, PS2.
I got excited. I'm looking for Chris Hemsworth stuff.
What? Chris Hemsworth?
I love him.
Pam does love Chris Hemsworth. If anybody has Chris Hemsworth stuff, let us know. Pam will buy it.
Especially if it's him.
Star Wars Rebel Assault 2 for original PlayStation. Metal Gear Solid 5 for PS3. This one's like mint. Probably not worth a whole lot, though. Rumble Roses for PS2. Open Season no, not PS. PC game. Celebrity Deathmatch. 007. Like, these are all pretty low end. They'll just be in a big bundle. I'll just bundle them together. I might make different lots. Usually, we've sold PS3 games in the past in, like, big bundles. And they've sold really well, so I don't think we'll have any problems with that. We got Tie 3, Tasmanian Tiger, PS2. Anthology, Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Got Risk for original PlayStation. We got Tenkin 4. Gungrave. That one looks interesting. That might be worth a little bit of something. You can always tell with the higher end games just by looking at them. Alone in the Dark. Madden 18 for Xbox One. Look at that. That's your favorite player.
That's Auntie's favorite player.
It's got Tom Brady on the cover. What do you got here?
I don't know.
Holy cow. Masters 5, Star Wars, PlayStation. Steel Rain, PlayStation. Renaissance, low end. And then Namco Museum, PS2.
no idea what this thing is.
Alright, so this is probably what was making it so heavy. So this is brand new in the box. It is a Mortal Kombat Classic. Super heavy. The box is a little bit beat up, but it is brand new in the box. It's for PS3 Mortal Kombat Classic Fight Stick. I looked these up on eBay. They're going for around $100 plus shipping. So
the box is a little beat.
The box is a little bit beat up. This will be a big chunk of our money back right here in this one piece. All right, so that's the first box. That was loaded with games. All right, box number 2. Box number 2. Logan did a good job boxing these up. He is not a reseller. He's never shipped before, so I had to explain to him how to do it. And I actually purchased the labels and emailed them to him, so that's how that went down. Looks like we got some more of these Rescue Heroes figures. We've got some sports ones. We've got, what's his name? I can't think of his name. He used to play for the Celtics. Does it say? Does it? Oh, Kevin Garnett. Kevin Garnett figure.
Hey.
What? Oh, look at that. We just sold the bread maker for $160. That's cool. It was on sale, but we'll take it because it's free. Another Kevin Garnett figure. These are probably worth like 15 to 20 bucks each. These sports figures. Here's another Rescue Heroes figure. Then we got another Kevin Garnett figure. We've got like 3 of those. And then, oh, we've got a Boston Bruins Joe Thornton figure by McFarlane Sports. These sports figures, guys, if you ever see them out in the wild, they're not worth a whole lot of money. But you know, if you can get them for like $1 or $2, they're worth picking up. You can probably get $15 to $20 for each one of these.
Out in the wild.
Out in the wild. Out in the jungle. All right, what do we got? Okay, so this is a good one here. This is Wario's Woods for NES with the original box. It's in very, very good condition. NBA Showdown with the original box for Super Nintendo. Probably not worth a whole lot, but with the original box, it'll add a little bit of value. Mortal Kombat Falcon's Revenge for Super Nintendo with the original box. Again, in a very, very good condition. All of these have the manuals. They're complete. These ones are just bagged games. We got Othello. These might have to be lotted together. There's not a whole lot of value here. Gyromite, Gorilla, Palamedes. I don't know if that's how you say that. Then we got Tennis in the original box. So, not bad. Stacks on stacks on stacks of games.
Box number 3.
Box number 3. All right, this is the last one. This one's pretty heavy, too.
This one's going to be my favorite box.
This is going to be your favorite? Why?
Yeah. Because it is.
It's just your favorite? You just know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, we got some. This is for the Xbox console, the power cable for it.
Nintendo.
Oh, we just sold one of these a couple weeks ago, a SNES console. Then we've got another Xbox console. This is the AV cables for the Xbox console. Then we've got Gotcha the Sport for NES in the original box. That's a pretty good one. This is probably the best game that we have, and this is in extremely good condition. What?
Did I not tell you I'd like this box best?
Pam knew it.
I didn't even know what he was buying.
So this is definitely a bolo game to be on the lookout for, guys. It is Swamp Thing, and wow, it is complete with the manuals in there. I think I'll have to open it up, but it looks like the manual's in there. The box is in very good condition. Swamp Thing for NES. It is a pretty rare game. At least 100, maybe upwards of 150, maybe more. I don't know. But definitely a good one. If you ever see this one out there, pick it up for sure. But yeah, good game there. This probably will sell very quickly, if I had to guess. We got Bad Dudes with the original box. Oh, we got, look at this one. I didn't even know this was included in the lot. This is Toki. Toki for NES. This could be a good one too. I've never seen this one before. Toki for NES. And the box is actually a little bit beat up. This is actually the worst of the boxes, but most of them are in really good condition. From 1991. Okay. So Toki, NBA Live 1995 for SNES. And this one is Lethal Enforcers for SNES. These are low end. low-end games. Skyrim for Windows. Tomb Raider. The Last Revelation. Max Payne. Sega. Oh, King of Route 66. Ninja Assault for PS2. Legaia 2 Dual Sega. That one might be worth a little bit of something. PS2. Dark Forces for original PlayStation. Onimusha. And Bejeweled Hits. Remember playing Bejeweled Blitz on Facebook back in the day?
No.
You don't? Oh, okay. 007. Soul Blade for original PlayStation. Soul Blade. We got Oddworld, original PlayStation. Death by Degrees, PS2. Blood Rain, another Blood Rain. Monopoly, and another Monopoly. So that's the lot. We've got a really messy room again. We've got video games everywhere. Pam loves her video games, so she'll be happy.
I love shipping them out.
You like shipping them out?
Yeah. Like all of them.
Yeah, so we're going to get all this stuff listed because right now video games, this is also why I did this deal. Right now video games are flying out the door for pretty much everybody because everybody's home playing video games.
We were almost done. We had like 3 left.
Yeah, we were basically completely out of video games. So now we got them back. We get some more.
So happy. It's not you, Logan. It's not.
Pam has a weird thing for video games. She doesn't like them. It's kind of been like a joke on the channel for a long time. But, yeah.
Or like my life for a long time. I can't play them. I can't, like, move the things with both hands. I know you guys don't understand, but my brother does if he's watching this. I can't look and walk at the same time, so when you'd play that game with the zombies, I would break through.
I love playing zombies.
Yeah, I would die. Like, maybe I'd shoot one, and then that was it. And then meanwhile, he gets, like, hundreds or whatever. But I can't walk and look at the same time.
Yeah.
I'm good at duck hunt, because you can put that gun thing right up to the screen. But apparently that's cheating. But I'm not a video game person.
I'm not really either, but I like selling them. So Logan, thank you very much for reaching out to us. We really appreciate it. I'm glad we made this deal. I think it was a fair deal for both of us. He got some money for his video games that he wasn't doing anything with, and we'll be able to make a little bit of money on the lot. Really appreciate it, Logan. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're going to get to listing. We got our work cut out for us now. But yeah, this has been fun. This has been really good to get some fresh inventory in here because we're really running low on stuff. So
that is a good thing.
Yeah.
So I'm happy that there's something for me to do during the week.
Yeah.
I still have a couple more weeks of no work.
Yep. So, all right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, make sure to hit the thumbs up button on the way out. And we'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel if you have never subscribed before, or if you're seeing us here for the first time. This is stuff we like to do and share with you guys. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Stay safe, stay healthy, everybody, and we will see you in the next one.
Keep dreaming, you crazy little dreamers, and maybe you'll get a Logan of your own.
That's right.
Patty, hi. I just wanted to give a shout out to Miss Patty because I saw her. We were socially distanced, don't worry. But I saw her when I was out and about, and she said that she loves us and watches us.
Hi, Patty.
Hi, Patty.